Very rapidly, LLM agents are becoming an essential tool to optimize business processes. However, many organizations face the same question: where do we start? Hello everyone, let's dive into a step-by-step guide on integrating LLM agents into your organization. We will walk through 10 essential steps to get your LLM agents up and running in your business. The first step to integrate LLM agents in the organization is understanding where and how you want to use them. Consider tasks like automating customer support, generating content, or summarizing complex documents. By identifying specific use cases, you can define the scope and impact of LLM agents for your business. You can then set clear objectives like improving efficiency by 15% or boosting customer satisfaction by 20%. Now, before going all in, it's crucial to calculate the return on investment or ROI. This will help you understand whether investing in an LLM agent makes financial sense for your business or not. Compare it with the income generated by the project without the use of LLM agents to make sure it's the right move for your organization. Next, you will need to decide who will build the LLM agent. Should you develop it in-house or hire a third-party consultant? While in-house development gives you full control of the processes, you will need a skilled team. Outsourcing, on the other hand, can save time and resources, especially if you don't need a full-time team for maintenance. Next is choosing the right LLM. Do you need a custom-built model, or can a proprietary one like GPT-4 or Claude do the job for you? Open source models allow for customization but require more effort. On the flip side, proprietary models might be easier to implement but come with licensing fee and customization limitations. This step is tricky, but it's important to get it right. Development is where the real work begins. Whether you're building it in-house or outsourcing it, make sure that the requirements are crystal clear. Test the agent rigorously, collect feedback from domain experts, and make necessary improvements before the final rollout. Popular development frameworks like LangChain, AutoGen, and CrewAI can make this process more efficient. Security is a major concern when deploying LLM agents. From preventing prompt injections to safeguarding sensitive data, there are several threats you need to defend against. Implement security measures like input validation and API rate limits to protect your model and data. Also, don't forget about compliance laws like GDPR. Once the LLM agent is developed and secured, it's time to deploy and test it. Make sure it integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, such as CRM and project management tools. Don't hesitate to run small-scale pilots first and gather necessary feedback to ensure everything runs smoothly. Optimization is key to efficiency. You want to balance speed and cost. For less complex tasks, consider using smaller task-specific models. Model pruning, quantization, and cloud-based solutions can also help cut down on resource usage while maintaining performance. Now comes the big launch. Don't just roll out your project and call it a day. Make sure that the concerned employees are trained, workflows are adapted, and everyone understands how the LLM agent project can benefit them. Proper change management will ensure smooth adoption across your organization. Even after deployment and internal training, your job is not done. You will need to constantly monitor and update your LLM agents. Keep an eye on key performance indicators like response times and user satisfaction. Regular updates will not only keep your LLM agents secure, but also ensure they stay relevant and effective over time. By following these 10 steps, you can seamlessly integrate LLM agents into your organization. LLM agents can help boost productivity, enhance user experience, and drive innovation. If you want to learn more about LLM agents, check out the helpful links in the description. And don't forget to subscribe.